Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another very short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can install the CCleaner application in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices from the Microsoft Store. Okay, so let's get into it. So let me just open the Microsoft Store, and here in the search tab at the very bottom, at the very top of the window, you will see a search tab, and there please type CCleaner. The moment you do that, this CCleaner application will be coming up in the screen, and here you can install it or download it by clicking the get button. So in my case, I have already downloaded it and I already installed it in my device. That's why I already have the install button here or option. So in your case, if you still haven't downloaded it, just please click on the get button, and then you will see a download option. So please click on that, and then you will see here the install. So once you click on the install button here, you will see the CCleaner application in your desktop, and once you can already see it, please make a double click on it to open it, and then just click on yes, and then just wait for it to open. And the moment it's open, you will see here the many options that you can do. You can scan your PC, or it will also notify if you have programs slowing down your PC. You can resolve them, and you can also make some health checks. So let me just sort this out later. Okay, so no thanks. So here you can do a health check, custom clean, performance optimizer, driver updater, software updater. You can also have the tools to clean the registry, to uninstall. So you can also clean all the registry files that you have in your device, or you can also make changes with the startup applications, or you can also do a health check, run a health check in your device, and analyze and run cleaner in your device. Okay, so you can all do that sort of things in this CCleaner application to protect your device from any malware or any virus threats uh, that could harm your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and that's a very easy process, so I hope you followed it accordingly. So if you found this video helpful, and if you found this video comprehensive, please don't forget to give this a like button. Please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.